And now let's decal the hell out of it. So first, before we do anything, right, we need to actually apply some mods. So let's change our environment. In fact, I'm going to load my own environment. So I'm going to install new HDRI, this one, there we go. Save preferences. And I like this one because it's flat. And I like flat lighting, so that's way too dark. Let's go for a matte, not shift. Let's go for a matte matte scroll. Let's see what we're gonna get from the lottery. Well, this isn't bad. If it's going to be a bit brighter, kind of like this. Or we could make it, you know, we could make it white. Or close to white. Let's drop some create code to roughness. Let's see how this looks in cycles here, because we're not gonna be rendering it in, you know, Eevee. We're gonna do it in cycles. So let's see here. That will be plastic, right? Now we need to think whether we want metal or plastic, so maybe that's a bit too bright. This could work. So let's see what else we're gonna get here. This is interesting, so let's make it darker. Yep. Oh, blank material, there we go. Oh, that's actually pretty cool, like a matte, really matte one. Matte black. Switch to UV for a sec. So let's actually this one, you know, I think it's a little bit too bright. Yeah, this one is a bit maybe too dark. Something like this. This could be the same, so we're gonna copy that. And this could be darker. This could be darker. This could be the same as this. We recalculated the sharps, and these were deselected, so we need to re-add them. We need to recalculate them and copy to the other side, so symmetrize it. One more time. Give me a second. Let's do this again. Symmetrize it to I think I symmetrize it on y-axis instead of x, and that was a problem. Okay. So these eyes could be dark, that's fine. Can change much later. Not worried about it at the moment. These pipes should be like a rubber or something, so can go to asset loader with kit-ups and go to other and leather rubbers, I think at the bottom. There we go. Control click it to get a rubber. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, these, of course, probably all of them, or most of them, should be metal, like that. Because these are mechanical parts, this could be darker. These parts could be... These parts actually could be dark as well. This one could be metal. This one could be darker. This could be rubber. This could be rubber too. Yep. And this could be metal. This could be rubber too. But this is definitely gonna be metal. Don't know what is this, but we can remove it. This could be darker too, it's fine. Just for fun. Alright, so that will be basic texturing, I think. Let's see how it looks in cycles. Switch it to silver. Switch it to black. Interesting. Switch it all to black, could be actually pretty cool. Now this one is a little bit too silverish, you know. Maybe. Yeah, there you go. Now you're talking. I think I have a grey color fetish or something. I really like greys. This one is a little bit too... Whoops. A little bit too... Let's turn off this box cutter. A bit too rough. So... Maybe just a teensy-weensy bit too rough, yeah? And lacks depth. That's better. Alright. What the hell is this? Rogue Bullion. And this actually could be black, so... Yeah. Alright, that looks pretty peachy. So... let's go to EV. And let's save it. And now we're gonna have some fun with decals, yeah? Let's go with the our free pack that we released yesterday. Let's go with these. And in fact, you know what? Wait. Let's use a pack that hasn't been released yet. This is actually a pack that's gonna probably drop with our Patreon package. So if you would like to get this pack, you could just jump on our Patreon once we have it set up, and you can get it. So let's adjust it and make it bigger. Move it inside a bit, like this, or we could just keep it outside here. Maybe make it smaller. Let's reset this. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty good. You can switch off the emission if you don't want it, see? Or we can make it really, you know, kind of dim. So in this case, I probably would, what I would do is just switch it off, because I think it's gonna look better without it. But and let's see, we need some screws, of course, right? So in fact, we could just start with the screws as well, because this is gonna be quite important. So what we could do is we could go with these. Let's see how we're gonna be looking. Or with my favorite screws from my 23 decal pack. I really like these. Oh, come on. Alright, so let's grab this one and drop it somewhere here. We need to make them small, yeah. You guys need to remember about the scale of this thing, right? So scale is really important. This would be probably still too big, something like this maybe. I don't want them to be obnoxious, you know. Shift-D. You could Alt-D them, but doesn't matter because they are decals and it's really easy to something like that. Just double click them, you see, and you project them and you're done. And I'm gonna make them probably black, so darker, you know, something like this, yeah. So they kind of stand out. Or you could match them with the chassis. It's, you know, there's a possibility too. So you could make them less dark, something like this, you know. So they kind of stand out, but not really. And I'm gonna grab some more screws at the back. Now we need to make sure that the size is more or less similar, right? So let's actually drop one in here and maybe here. The other side and project. And need to change color of this one as well. There we go. Nice. So we need some screws in here. The front one's gonna be probably smaller, yeah. So you know, So they're really kind of tiny-ish. Maybe one more here somewhere. Right? So double click them and project them and copy them to the other side. PG. We need some screws in the front as well. Also, we will have to, what we're gonna do is grab the quad sphere and make it smaller and duplicate it. And here we're going to add glass, and here we're going to add emission, right? And switch this bugger to blue. Now, let's grab this eye and let's change it to glass. So add material, glass, and then come on, we actually going to introduce a loop here and add material and emission. Yep. And probably change color to something more menacing. Right. And let's see that. Yeah, macro. Just insert it a little bit. I wonder if you could just reverse this material here and make it really narrow. Yeah, something like that. So scale it a bit in. There we go. Yeah, that's much better. This glass is way too dark. Yeah, so what we need to do is go to mattes. So shade editor. And make it, not this one. Here, make it blue and darker. Or not blue. Make it actually red. Right? And now I need to select this one, go to bevel and change this to 0. How are we looking in cycles? Could be a little bit wider, to be honest. So scale it a bit more. Yep. Hell yeah. Looking good. Looking good. The same thing we can do here, you know. You can insert it a little bit, extrude it inside, scale it, and then apply the same color. Yeah. See, can't be too big, yeah, because it's gonna be overpowering, you see. So, in fact, I think this is still too big, so I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. It's gonna be a dot. There we go. That's better. Now, let's think. Front here. Could drop this one here. It makes 0 sense, so we remove it. And let's see. Oh, that will make sense in here. So let's adjust it make it smaller, and drop it somewhere here. Nice. I don't really think we need a mesh in here though, so we can just switch it off. And let's remove this because they're annoying. Side view, right? So let's think what we can do here. We could just drop a name of the bot. So where am I? There we are. I should have kept the old. Let's go with ST3. Now, how are we gonna do this? Could drop it in here. Come on. Project, there we go. And let's switch this interpolation to, where is it? Closest, right, good. And looking good. Let's change this. Do we want to go black? Yeah, we do. Maybe. Let's copy this and flip the mirror here. Merge objects. Where the hell is oh wait, we need to flip the mirror on this one. What the fuck? Where is this flip UV option? Where did it go? What kind of bullshit is this? On the data? Oh, that's annoying. That's really annoying. Alright. This one is pretty cool actually, I like this. This one could be like a simple decal on this side. This looks pretty cool actually, I like it. So, is it not too big? No, I think it's cool. And we can actually increase the power of this emission a bit. Yeah, there we go. Shiny. Let's grab some stuff from here. And we're gonna drop some stuff here in the back. So let's make it smaller and let's rotate it. And it's too much to the right, I think. No, it's good. Let's put it in the middle and make it a bit smaller. And just adjust it a bit. Let's go to orthographic mode so I can see what the hell I'm doing. Let's project it. Now you're talking. Nice. Okay, and then Awesome. We could still have something in here. So we can go to these decals here and drop something like this. That's cool. And rotate it. And actually, let's adjust it in here. And then project it. And copy this to the other side. Yep. It's a looking good. It's a looking good. Alright, so now where's my this one? That's what I want. Drop it in here. Extend it on Z a little bit and then rotate it on X. And move it here on Y. And then we're gonna try to project it. Boom. Yep. And mirror this. Telling you guys, decals is the shit. Decals is the shit. Nope, that makes no sense. Let's grab the I know what I'm gonna grab. Not these ones. So many decals sometimes I don't know which one is where. Actually, you know what? This could work. This could work. Although we have it similar on the top. So what I might do here is go with the hinge, kind of like this one. This one should fit here perfectly. Let's see. Yep. Yep. Nice. Alright. And let's go to the side. We don't want to overload it, but we need something in here for sure. We need something here for sure. Where's my... we could have like an engine kind of thing. Pipes, whatever the hell it is. Somewhere here on the side. A bit smaller. And rotate it. So... I'm not sure if this is gonna fit though, but... No, I don't like it. It's too obnoxious. So, where's my vents? My vents. These ones. We could use these. So, I actually have... There we go. So we're gonna get deformed. Yeah. Unless I'm gonna make it smaller. Oh, this could work. Yeah, this could work. Try to flip it. Whoa. Try to flip it and it should work, yeah. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. We need some screws here as well. So... might want to get ahead and do that. Might want to go ahead and do this one. So let's add some more screws. Not here. This one. Move it in here, make it, come on, make it smaller. Yep. And one here, and one here. And then we need some here, here, and here. Project. And then we're good. We're good. All right. Front. Now this would be a good place to put this. I selected the wrong piece, so let's do it one more time. Ready now. Is this flipped? Oh, that's why. When the geo is flipped, right? The decal's gonna get projected on the other side, so come on. Where the hell is this? It's not this one? Yeah, it's this one. Oh, I cannot select it. There we go. And then flip. Now it should work. So there we go. Go to front view orthographic. Orthographic is gonna distort your decals, but it's only temporary, so it's okay. In fact, what we could do here is move cursor to this one, and then this one to cursor. It's gonna be perfectly aligned. And then we're going to project it. And then we're going to, we messed up because it's too big. There we go. Now we should project it. There we go. Have a looking. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. It's a little bit too bright, so we're gonna dim it down a bit. That's pretty fine. In fact, we could change color of this, so make it a bit darker, you know. So let's go to here. Come on. Oh, for fuck's sake. Not sculpt mode. Shade editor, that's what I want. Let's go to color and hue and saturation. And let's shift this hue to something different. Yeah, this would do. See, because I don't want... What the hell am I sculpting? I don't want this to overpower the eyes, you see, so that's important, right? Now, we need some stuff in here, so let me see that. Let's see if we can actually run this across here. But this is asymmetrical, that's the problem, yeah. We need something that's symmetrical. In fact, you know what? Where is it? I'm always looking for stuff, guys. That's the problem. I'm always looking for stuff. This could work. Although it's a little bit too Maybe too strong. Maybe. Nope, it's fine. It's pretty cool actually. We definitely need something in here. So some details. Oh, these, I love these ones. These are cool. We could drop them somewhere on the side, you know. I don't know if it's gonna be too much, but we could try. Yeah, it's a little bit too strong, right? Also might be a bit too big. Maybe there should be somewhere on the side, or maybe somewhere in the back here, you know. Maybe I like this side kind of like, well, undisturbed, if you will. You know, something needs to be in here, but not too much, you know, just some accent that I need to find. We could have one of these on the side too. Here in the corner. This would work, I think. Yeah, I just need to change the color. Make it darker, maybe. Yeah, there we go. Kind of corresponds nicely with this element over there. And could drop 2 more hinges in here on the side, for sure. Here is fine. And let's rotate them because gravity. And definitely remove this lighting. It just doesn't fit, yeah. See, it pulls too much attention, and it's just, because this side is a little bit, this should be a bit stronger though. Like really. You know, there we go. These screws should be dark. So there. The front here definitely needs some mechanisms, so we need to go to our where is this pack? This one, I think. No. Oh man, where is it? This one. Let's go up and grab this. Front view. Let's do the same trick, right? So it's just, you know, just perfect alignment, so I can't be bothered with setting it up manually. There we go. And then we're going to change the color to dark. Yep, that will work. And let's see. Could use something on the side here too. It's a little bit sad. And top needs some work as well. I really like the back though. Back looks dope. Back looks dope. We could have some stickers too. Let's see what we have here. Drop it down here, project it, and change the color and everything. to black. Shift it to the other side. Come on. Okay, let's see here. Where was this fucking mirror? What the hell? Data? Mirror you. There we go. Jesus, that's annoying. Why do I have to click that shit? It's a bit too... maybe too black, you know. That's better. This one maybe is also too crazy, you know. There. I'm not sure about this. I'm not sure about this. I think this is gonna be better. I really like this decal. It's bloody awesome, this one. Yeah, and then just switch the color. Could actually make it, no, this is not gonna be a good idea. Make it darker. Something like this. Maybe. I'll think about this one. Alright, and we definitely need something in here, so let's put some small notches in this bot. Let's copy this to the top and make it smaller. Copy to the top and make it smaller. Move it a little bit here. It's a bit too small. And this should be good. 3 is enough. Project. And copy. How it works. Does it work? I don't know. I'm not so sure. I am not so sure. Maybe we're gonna make something like this here. And then copy this to the top, make it smaller, copy to the top. Make it smaller. Go to the solid view for a second. Let's see. Let's align this properly, shall we? I think this one is better. Let's match this, make it darker. Yeah, it's better. Nice. So we're gonna detail this area and probably gonna leave this one alone. We definitely need something here in the front. So, and I think that what I will do is some kind of a grill, but I haven't decided what kind of grill yet. Maybe this would do, 2 of them. But there's a grill already in here, unless I'm gonna change this. You know, to something else. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna go with. Let's try this. I really like this decal too. It's pretty awesome. Let's make it smaller and then project it. Is it in the middle? The hell it is. GX and move it a little bit. There we go. It's a little bit too strong. It's a bit too strong. What I could do, in fact, is... Wait a minute. Or we could do with this puck here. Where is it? Nope. Nope. This one. Well, let's try to use this. But we're gonna make it smaller and rotate it. Right, and let's make it narrower. Yeah, that's much more interesting actually. Then we could drop something in here still, so man, something is not right with this decal. Okay, where are my sensors? We could drop this actually. You know, here in the middle. Yeah, that will work. There's something tiny in here. Now we need a top. So let's grab some lights here. In fact, we could try this on the top here. So just grab two of them and project it. Project it. Oh, come on. Just project it. Nope. There we go. I'm gonna have to lower down the, or even turn it off. Yeah, turn it off. And in fact, we're gonna turn them black. Oh, like this. Yeah, there we go. Now you're talking. Awesome. Nice. Now you need some stuff in here too, so these are really good, but I don't know if I want a one in the middle. Maybe. Let's see with one in the middle. Or maybe we should break the symmetry in here and do something on sides that it's not so intrusive, you know, something like this, for example. It's relatively small and not so crazy. Move it to the other side and darken it down. Yep. Yeah, there you go, see? It opens up this top part, makes it a bit more wide visually. Creates more interest, I like it. So now let's on this one, where is it? Could drop these. Make them really small. Yep. Nice. We need something in the middle too, so could actually put some screws, but wait a minute. Let's grab these panels. No, that's a bad idea. That makes no sense. Yeah, we need some screws in here, you know. That's what's gonna kind of solidify or conclude this bit. So make it smaller, make it really small. There we go. And I'll just put some screws in here, like one here, and Shift D, maybe one here. Project it. Match it to something darker and copy it. Yep. And I'm gonna literally leave it alone or put some text in here, because I like this plate being like that. Or we could put some like tiny vents. I have really cool tiny vents on one of my packs. I think it's the gun pack. I think it's on the right side somewhere here. Nope. Where the hell is it? It's not this one. Is this one? Yep. That's the one. It's a really tiny, sort of like a line of vents, and we could put it somewhere here. Or even here. Or we could put it on the bottom. This could work. There we go. Okay. Now we need something in here, definitely. So I'm gonna think about that one. And we're almost done. Getting close to being done. Alright guys, let's see what else we can drop in here. We need something up the front in this area. I'm actually wondering whether it wouldn't be a good idea to, you know, sort of bevel this a little bit like that. So I mean chamfer it. What the hell happened here? Oh, that's cool. Maybe not. Or yeah, that's fine. Let's drop something here. So let's see what we can find. This looks interesting. You could drop it in here, make it a bit smaller, and project it, and copy this to the side. Yep, that will do. You need to make sure that the details kind of match the whole flow of the. It's really difficult to explain, to be honest. It really is difficult to explain. Yeah, you know, the details need to kind of play along with this whole design that actually doesn't make any sense, but it could make sense in here. I think this is gonna be good in here. I have this gut feeling. My gut feeling was wrong. Let's see. Oh, we could mount these. That would be actually a pretty interesting idea. And project it and mirror it. Yep. And that will work. Cool. Kind of like for opening a chassis or something. Still need something in here. I'm thinking, you know, we could this will not make much sense. Something small on the bottom. Maybe maybe some of these. Oh, this could work. We could actually extend it and squash it, and this could be in the middle, in fact. Oh yeah, now you're talking. Awesome. Now I need something in here, and I have a pretty good idea what it's gonna be. This could work actually. Kind of like a, you know, speech or something device, and we could adjust it in a way. We could split it between these two. So let's see if it's gonna work. Shift D this and hide it, and let's project it, right? Then Alt H, and now when we project it, it should project on the top part. No, it didn't. Fine. So let's move it to local, and let's clear the parent, and then project it. So there we go, and there you go. You got decal on two sides. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. And let's match this. We can make the top darker and the bottom darker too. And there you go. And Shift 5, was it a Shift 6? I can't remember where the cutters are. I think Shift 3 or something. Just turn them off. How are we looking? Yeah, looking pretty interesting. So we need some tiny screws around here, right? Because it looks just kind of silly. So let's grab these and, you know, make them smaller, and bring them here and make them really small, and even smaller, and just drop some screws. So project it and project it, and match it and copy this. This will do. And here we need some more screws, so we'll drop one here. Could be smaller, so it's not so obnoxious. Could have two screws in here, and you know, maybe one in here. So project them. Project it. There we go. Project these two. And copy them to the other side, and we need to match it, so and we need to match these, so make them darker. There we go. Nice. You see, it comes together with those tiny details that just keep filling those tiny spaces, and that's why decal machine, you know, when I see people bitching about the price, I can't help face palming, because you've got to be seriously fucking retarded not to understand how powerful the tool is and how much time it will save. And if you don't, just sell the keyboard, because you shouldn't be using it. That's the bottom line, and I'm serious, I'm not even joking. It's just depressing to watch these stupid comments, you know. It just annoys me. I'm annoyed by stupidity. But, let's copy this to this other side. And you see, like those tiny notches, they just introduce those like minute details that really bring this stuff together, you know. And it could be really tiny as well. These decals are not amazing quality. They're probably 512, I don't know. It's not mine, so. But, you know, they basically get the job done because I'm using them only for like tiniest details, so. I want to align it with this edge here. There we go, and project it and copy this to the other side. Yep, nice. And that will do. I'm gonna leave this part undisturbed. What we could do is, in fact, drop something in here on the side. You know, something small. That's gonna just break the light a little bit, you know. Kind of connect all these pieces together. You could, of course, you know, have some fun on the eyes and create some more details. We could actually chamfer this just for fun to create another, you know, light break. Chamfer this one a bit more to create a difference between those two, the mirrors, so we're good to go. And, you know, more or less we're done. We need some stuff in here as well because it's a little bit boring, so we need some kind of, I don't know, hatches, notches, some kind of stuff like this. So this could work. Yep, this will work. And definitely something in here as well. So could just grab this and drop it in here, make it a bit larger, and there you go, project it and drop it to the other side. Yeah, so you see I created a kind of like areas of focus details, especially in the front, and I want to really leave this alone. I might drop some sticker in here, you know, like tiny one or something. This should be left alone. Something here, you know, here in this area would be good. I'm not sure the what yet. So, oh, you know what? This one might be even better for the front than this one. Or for the side. This could actually nicely correspond with this and make it slightly bigger. Oh yes, now you're talking. I actually made these yesterday, I think, or something. Yeah, beautiful. See, like when you spend time on creating decals, you can really zoom in closely and you just can't tell whether it's a geo decal. It's so it's very deceptive. This is too strong. This cannot be stronger than gotta be an accent, but not too strong. Yeah, but it's too strong. Something like this will do. Yeah, perfect. This gotta be stronger and then bring attention to the front. So you can direct how people look at your work. I mean the order within which, you know, eyes jump from one place to another by simply using details, right? So something like this could work in here, you know, something simple. Maybe this is not the best idea. How about we're gonna go with the very simple, or we could grab one of mine from this pack. Where is it? This one. We could grab this, or we could grab these. This could work. Let's make them smaller and adjust them so they align. Move them on the edge here and project. Copy to the other side. Whoops. Let's adjust it first. There we go. And mirror to the other side. Yeah, that will go. That will do. So it kind of closes this area nicely. Wicked, wicked. Corners could use some attention as well. I'm thinking maybe I could use this one in here, you know, on the corner. Where is it? I think it's on the top somewhere here, this one. So let's see. If I could just drop it on the corner, this would be kind of amazing. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it would be interesting to try. So project. Yeah. But is it not too much? Also, it's crooked. Needs to be straight. Like this. Right? And maybe smaller. Yeah, that's kind of interesting on this corner. I like it. It's gonna just introduce a bit of a break over there. Alright, alright. This part 2 here needs some work. The long one here. You know, this would work. The two of them, one under another, maybe. Adjust. Kind of longer one here. I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And we need some notches in here, you know, because reasons. So let's grab some 2 small notches, like really tiny ones. And copy to the other side. Yeah. Now you're talking. Okay. This one also looks a bit boring, so we could do is create some, maybe add some screws in here, you know. Come on. I'm talking about this one, and they need to be really tiny, yeah. So one in here, and maybe one in here somewhere. I should do. And let's project them and match them and copy them to the other side. So the side over there is not so, you know, crazy boring. And I'm gonna grab these. This is from the original decal machine pack. Decals created by machine. I'm gonna drop it somewhere here in the front. Adjust it a tiny bit more and project it. You need a lot of patience for this because this is like a puzzle, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, let's save it. How are we looking? Yeah, we're looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good. We could use something in here as well. In fact, we could use the same one, just bigger, you know. So I'm going to drop it in here, project, and just move it to the other side. Yep, nice, really nice. And I want to leave these spaces alone, you know. Also something here, or not even here, but maybe I just leave it alone. That's fine, I think. Just leave it be. I think we're looking pretty good. Oh, this one needs to be copied to the other side. It didn't. Let's copy this. Ah, it got copied across the wrong. Same with the screws, you see. They need to get copied through this one. This side looks a little bit bleak because we haven't copied everything, so should be fine now. Right. So okay, let's hide this and hide this cutter, and we could still work on this part here, add some interesting stuff, like for example we could actually drop this. This would be interesting on this side here. Make it a bit smaller and project it. Yeah, this will work, you see. This will work, and I think we're good to go. There's a bit of a pinching here, this one, you see. So what we could do, we could run another loop in here, or run a knife like this and release some stress here. And you could copy to the other side, so symmetrize it, right? This is fine. I wouldn't do anything in here. We could, for example, add some screws on the front to make it more interesting, or we could just go lazy mode, and the screws will be better because they will be, perpendicular to the z-axis, but I don't think we need to, bother with this. I think there's a boolean in here. There we go. We could add some sticker on this one too, like here. And maybe we could add proxy in this area. So grab proxy and adjust it. This will look good in here. Proxy parameter. Copy to the other side. And we need to flip the mirror. So flip the use. There we go. And let's fix the saturation. And make it black, make it a little bit brighter, so something like this. I think we're looking pretty good. Check in my options. We could add some screws in here too, but some stuff, but we're not gonna render the top, so it's okay. We're gonna probably do some kind of a render like this from the side. So you also need to think like which side you're gonna be rendering from, right? And probably, in a higher sort of, because this is 50 millimeters, right? If you go to view and where is it, view, right? 50 mil. But if you change it to 85, the default view, you'll see that compression is going to be introduced. So I would shoot somewhere at 135, which is like a portrait, telephoto portrait lens, which introduces a bit more compression, which will show a bit of the top as well. So the angle changes, right? So you could just, preview your stuff without the camera by changing the focal length in your view. So this, I think, looks pretty good. Alright guys, well, that's it for this video. I think that we're done modeling, and in the next video we're gonna be rendering it and post-processing the render. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Give us a like and sub. And if you want to buy any of these add-ons, so hard-ups, box cutter, mesh machine, decal machine, or kit-ups, I have links in the video description to the stores, affiliate links. So if you go through the links, you're gonna help me as well. Doesn't cost you anything extra. So and that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.